Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you. Always keep smile alive happily. In this beautiful video, hope you will like this stylish ideas. Keep watching it. Ideas are very different or prettiest. I can share it with you. And my dear friends, these stylish ideas are most stunning. And my dear friends, all the best of these ideas are very amazing or different stones, paintings, ideas. You're watching it. Hope you will like these styles. It's more stunning and different ideas. What these ideas are most attractive and different. Very amazing and different or prettiest collections. I can share with you very amazing and attractive and different styles, ideas and different attractive ideas obviously. So let's see. Enjoy my unique and different ideas. Hope you will like these styles. Most attractive and different style ideas. Keep watching it updates. And my dear friends, so keep watching it. Style ideas are more stunning and different. So different rock paintings, ideas for animals. I can share it with you. Very amazing and different styles and best selections. And hope you will like it. I can share it with you.